Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. We're out at the river, and we are. I'm here with the grandkids. The grandkids has made videos with me before, and Kessa's actually has been in the videos before, but now she's videoing, and we are going to teach you how to grab a catfish, a live catfish we just caught, and not get stung. They got little stingers on their fins. Ridge, you want to do that? Jocelyn, will you hold the fish? Tell us all about it. Why are you doing it up underneath? Get it up there. Get it right up in there and hold them out. Yeah, there you go. Okay?
Because right here and on both sides.
And this one here too, right?
And that one, which it just barely got me.
They got little stingers.
They got little
right?
stingers, and they hurt pretty bad. So you
hold it like that, right?
Your index finger and your thumb right here, and you just hold it like that. And
then what do you do with the hook?
Then you just grab the end of the hook, find where the hook ends, and you just pull it out. Until it croaks. Do you hear it?
They bark. They're a catfish, but they bark like a dog. They're barking catfish. Can we help you?
Because of that worm.
All right, let me get that. So you just pull it out. There we go.